Any idea or artistic creation that is recorded in some form, whether it's hard copy or digital. Well reasoned. Creative work is the correct choice. A right which prohibits the copying of an original, non-commonplace design of the shape of configuration of a product. Clear logic. Your choice design right is sound and 100% true. Tom Petty wrote a song crawling back to you. What intellectual property law protects this song from being redone? Nicely done. Copyright is a solid answer. Jim designed a logo for his company, a local bakery. Which intellectual property law would best protect his logo? Exactly. Trademark makes sense and it is right choice. Coca-Cola and McDonald's have symbols that identify their company. What term is used to identify their symbols? Sharp thinking. Trademark is the right choice. What is copyright? Right again. Right to copy is a valid answer. Distinctive registered mark used by a business to identify itself and its products or services to consumers. Smart move. Trademark is an accurate answer. Mr. Corey's Cookies had a secret recipe for his chocolate chip cookies. Which of these best protects Corey? Correct. Trade secret is the right answer. And Ember NFL jerseys are sold with a distinctive mark. Which term identifies this mark on the jerseys? Great thinking. Trademark is the right choice. Exclusive right granted to authors of creative works to control the use of their original works. Nice selection. Copyright is the correct and valid answer. The intellectual property of a business which it does not want others to know about. On track. Trade secret is the correct answer. After registering a trademark, what symbol should be placed by all protected marks? Great job. R within a circle is the accurate answer. The police raided the building and confiscated a large quantity of amphetamines. Solid response. Seized is a valid choice. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. What document protected this invention? Good thinking. Patent is the right answer. Patents are dashed to encourage inventions and their disclosures to the public. Excellent choice. Granted is the right answer. James protects his new invention by applying for which type of protection? Excellent. A patent is a brilliant choice. Legal interest or claim in things which cannot be touched. Correct response. Intangible property rights is the most accurate answer. People believe harsh punishment will deter law violation. Right choice. Prevent is the best answer. Which of the following is not an intellectual property? You're right. Land property documents is the correct answer. Which copyright law does Ermit Vietnam follow? Strong choice. Vietnam intellectual property law is the right answer. Something that can touched or felt. Good job. Your answer tangible works well here. Written quickly and untidily. Well done. Scribbled is the right choice. Action in accordance with. You chose compliance with. And it is correct. What is trademark? Perfect. Unique mark in goods is the correct choice. What is a patent? Nice work. You chose invention and it is correct.
Patent protects. Well picked. Both invention and innovation is the correct answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Valid point. Contact Narayan Chengdar is true.